You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Turkish pronunciation, the name of the city in Turkey, or Turkiye, yes, because Turkey has been renamed. I've got a video for you if you want to learn more about that. And so it's not side. In Turkish it's said as side, side, side. Not side, side. There's a museum, an ancient city, a temple. Side. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.